Hi Sveros, today in front of you K. Sharath from TTWR College of Excellence, PVTG Boys, Hayatnagar. Now I am going to explain your real life topic. What is your real life topic? You get 10 question mark. Then I am going to explain. We are daily wake up in the morning. After some time we saw our beautiful face on the mirror. We feel very happy. Then we get 10 question mark. What is a mirror? How it is prepared in your life? Then I am going to explain a glass how was prepared. Glass is a mixture of sodium silicate and calcium silicate, and it was prepared by soda, ash, limestone, and the glasses uses are decorative materials, crockery, optical instruments, laboratory equipments, etc. Glass is a transparent optic. Glass is a transparent optic in far distances. As you know, we have to discuss what are the uses of glass in our day-to-day life. Then we are using first in smartphones. There is no smartphone, there is no life for these future generations, because these future generations are using smartphone only. We are booking tickets, we are chatting, we are talking with others, all occur in smartphone only. We are improving the glass buildings in other countries, in our Hyderabad also, because the people attract glass buildings to know something whatever else. The third thing is lab equipments we are using in labs. The scientists who discovered new things in labs only, they discover new things by glass equipments. We have store HCl acids are in glass equipments. If you store in the plastic equipments, they will coil easily. Behind these reasons we have store in glass. So these are uses of glass. Another one of the best example in your life, when we are traveling in the vehicles, we are using the transparent glass, because what is the forward vehicle to see clearly, we are using the vehicles to move forward object easily. Then if you imagine in our life there is no glass, what will happen? So I can tell, there is no glass, what will happen? These are the two vehicles, there is no glass, we occur heavier accidents in our life. It is very dangerous to our human beings. While it was occurring day by day, our India population was decreasing by behind these reasons only. So I kindly request to all people, doesn't imagine there is no glass in our future. I am going to explain. You have got an idea what is my topic. The sun rays are reflecting on the light, and the compound microscope contains the lens. Today's my topic is ray optics and optical instruments. Then I will show the two images. These two images are inspiration to discover the mirror. Then you got our ancient people, how they discover the mirror, what is the behind reasons of them. Then one of the picture, the mountain shadow placed in water. Then second picture, the shadow placed on the water only. By these two reasons, the ancient people discover the mirror, and they give to us to see our face, feel happy. Then we got an question mark. Who discovered the mirror to give us? Then he is none other than Justus von Liebig. He was a German scientist. He was the founder of the organic chemistry, and he was a Gaussian lecturer, which was to lecture the students to give a bright, talented for the future generations. Have you got an idea? Yes. This mirror has been divided into three types. What are they? First one is the convex mirror, second one is the concave mirror, third one is the plane mirror. Then what is convex mirror? Convex mirror is a curved surface which we have reflected surface, and it was a diverging mirror. We have used in this vehicle side mirrors, because vehicle side mirrors are very protective to human beings, because when we are traveling far distance, the vehicle of the object, it diverges, it gives very small. To go forward distance, we see the mirror and go very speed on the road. It is the helpful of the convex mirror. Now what is the use of concave mirror? Concave mirror is a converging mirror. It was used by dentist. The dentist can clear the infections in the mouth. It converges all light rays at a point and see the infection in the mouth. What is infection present in the teeth, he saw clearly and give a better treatment to an patient. Now Another example, that is solar cooker. When all light rays converge at a point, then solar light was heated very much. This process we can use while heating process. Now, what is plane mirror? Plane mirror is a transparent glass reflective surface. Light was striking the plane mirror. Angle of equal to angle of incidence. Then I will show the example of plane mirror. If we are going to barber shops or anything else, we are shows the plane mirror. Very happy to see the objects clearly on the plane mirror. We are really happy now to see the plane mirror. Yes, we are really happy. Then one of the example I will say, the plane mirror make miracles project invented by our secretary sir garu Dr. R.S. Praveen Kumar sir. He was invented mirror makes miracles. He was introduced in our Gurukulam system like these posters. Mirror make miracles. One of the our sparrow explaining the she is fear by the seeing of help of the mirror only. It is the best example for this. This is a sparrow of our Gurukulam. Yes, we are proud to say. We are going to discuss about the mirror was divided into lens. What is lens? Lens are thin and pliable substance which are seeing to our naked eye. Then we got an idea. Who was the discovery of the lens? Discovery of the lens was the Ehud Halley. He was the none other than he was concluded that fixed motion of the stars, and he was the discover directions of the stars. He was invented this to show the direction north, east and southwest. It was very useful in these days in school and colleges. Now we are going to discuss what are types of lens. There are two types of lens. First one is convex lens. The convex lens are converging lens at a point. These are parallel rays reflect through a convex surface only. The principal focus. What is the use of convex lens? Convex lens use is magnifying lens. What is magnifying lens? This is the magnifying lens which we are using in our daily life. We are used in the laboratories or other instruments etc. to produce heat. We are using this. Now we are going to discuss second type of lens, that is concave lens. What is concave lens? Concave lens are refractive surface diverging inwards. A concave has a thinner at the surfaces and thicker at these edges. This was used in the correcting site of the myopia. Who got an eye defect myopia, we are using concave lens to correct it. Have I got an idea? Yes. Now we have to discuss about contact lens. What is contact lens? Contact lenses are thin medical devices which we want directly or to put our eye to see clearly. The defected person can't wear specs. He feel very shame and shy. Behind these reasons, our scientist Ehud Halley was discovered the contact lens to wear easily. These contact lenses are 5 types. What are they? Soft lenses, silicone hydrogenal lenses, gas permeable lenses, hybrid contact lenses, and PAMMA lenses, polymethyl methacrylate lenses. Then what are soft lenses? Soft lenses mean it was allows oxygen in our eye. There is no oxygen, there is no human body. While it was allows the oxygen into the cornea, it gives a protectable surface, but it was affected to eye because it was made up of glass, so it is not useful to us. Second one is the silicone hydrogenal lenses. Silicone hydrogenal lenses are nowadays most popular lenses because when the silicone hydrogenal lenses we are using, we not conclude he was a defected person. When we are using the silicone hydrogenal lenses, the people eyes like this, we can get an idea he was a defected person. No, it is impossible to discover he was a defected person. So I kindly request to all people who are defected of the eye, they may use the lens, it is very beneficial to them. Then gas permeable lens. A rigid gas permeable lens as known as RGP lens. It allows oxygen but is not comfortable to our eye. Behind these reasons we are not using gas permeable lenses. Now we are going to explain hybrid contact lens. Hybrid contact lens is a specialized contact lens which we are using uncomfortable. Gas permeable lens or hybrid contact lens are same. It was comfort in wearing but it was difficult process while we are wearing and while we are removing in our eye. So we are not using this. Then PAMMA lenses, polymethyl methacrylate lenses, are it not allow oxygen, it was prepared by a glass material, so it was can't wear in these generations. As you got an idea about the lens, then you got what is lens. Then I will show the one example. This is the lens model of the lens model. It is a lens. While cutting these, we get and the lens. While cutting these two shapes, we get concave lens and convex lens to correct the disease myopia and hypermetropia. It is the correct thing which we are using to give our future generations. Then I am going to explain lens are placed in the eye. Which part of the eye the lens are placed? The lens are placed in the cornea to correct the sight. The image will formed on the retina correctly. Behind these reasons we can wear lens. While we are wearing the specs, it is very difficult. Our one of the Google CEO, he was the Sundar Pichai. While he was wearing the specs, he feel very uncomfortable. It is the external part of our body. So it is external part of our body. While it was removing and while it was taking to put to eye, it was very difficult. When a difficulty person, old person walking on the road, he lost his specs. While behind these reasons he can't see the objects. While we wearing the lens, it is very useful because it is the indable part of our eye. It was combined totally in our body and after some years it was merges in our eye only. It is the good thing of the lens which we are using in these generations. Now I am going to say about contact lens in human eye. Contact lens in human eye, while we have placed, there is no any defects to human body, there is a human healthy body, then we got an question mark. How will the lens are getting to our human beings only? Why they are not getting to early beings or animals? Then one type of question mark, that is, I will clear that is, while we have the consumption of food, it was chemically combined food. These generations are taking the food chemically combined, so it is not good for health. Day by day it was decreasing the eye power and we getting the specs. Our old generations and old future generations, they have the specs? No, not at all. Why we are getting? We are eating the chemical food items. Behind these reasons we getting the specs. I kindly request to the all people, please eat a healthy diet to maintain our eyes are very clean, because there is no eyes, there is no to saw the objects clearly. We are a deaf person in the society. Have you feel very happy to deaf person in the society? No. I will say please eat a balanced diet to maintain to healthy our body parts. Now I am going to explain ray diagrams of convex lens. What are the ray diagrams of convex lens? Where we have placed in the eye ray diagrams of convex lens, while we have placed object 2f1, it was diminished. Diminished means it was very small image and magnified means it was very big image. The object behind 2f1 we are used in camera lens. There is no photography, there is no life to us, because while we have entered into the Gurukulam, we have a one photo to see our face, they can join us. There is no camera lens, we can't use right now. The second thing, placed at 2f1. It was used in terrestrial telescope. What is terrestrial telescope? To see far distances, we use terrestrial telescope to see, while the engineers are used to maintain the roads and labs, etc. The image is realigned inverted. While we have placed between 2f1 and f1, it was used in slide projector. It was magnified image, means it is very big image to see the clearly, but when we are using slide projector, we are using the convex lens only, because in our daily life only we are using mirrors, glasses, lens. They are day by day, the uses are increasing in these generations. Now, ray diagrams of convex lens and their applications. Object placed at f1, the image will formed at infinity distance. Slide projector has been used in these generations. We are using to put the slide, what is my front or back, we are seeing slide projector. In that only the convex lens are placed. We don't know it is convex lens, but it is truth, we are using the convex lens in these days in camera lens. Now, object placed at f1, it was used in collimator of spectrometer. It was a magnified image, it is very big to saw the image clearly, and the collimator of spectrometer used in the physical labs, who are the old generation scientists, they are used to show the directions of north, south, east, west. Now, object placed at f1 and o, it was used in magnifying glass. It is a magnifying glass. It was using magnifying glass to produce heat to boil the paper. Then we got an idea, that is, if the infinity heat will produced by the convex lens, what will happen? The burning of glass, it is a difficulty process to burn the glass, because when the glass particles has been spoiled in the soil, it is a glass particle, it was when broken we thrown into the soil. It is desirable, not desirable. When we are used convex lens to produce a large amount of heat on these, it was while melt and prepare a new instrument. It is the reason behind that. Now I am going to explain. Our imagination is totally lost. There is no glass in these generations. There is no glass. What will happen? There is no glass. There is no prism for in these generations. They can't see rainbow clearly in this generation, because it is a prism. It was prepared by the glass only. There is no glass. While we have see the rainbow in a laboratory, it not at all possible. It is not possible to seeing the laboratory equipments. It is useful instrument in our real life. It is very much essential. This is a laboratory equipment which we are using to fill the fluids in that only, because while we have doing the experiments, it is very essential to do some lab experiments and define chemical. So I can give a clue to do an scientist experiment. While in our atmosphere, carbon monoxide was increasing day by day in our life. We have our useful products are carbon dioxide and oxygen. These two are we are using. Carbon monoxide was an essential thing in our life. So behind these two we are using to decrease the carbon monoxide in the atmosphere. In laboratory we do such experiments to produce a new oxide to decrease atmospheric pollution in the earth, to give a better generations for the future. Now I am going to show one of the convex lens which we are using in the laboratory. One of the Sparrow has been using the convex lens. It was to show the microorganisms what are present in the under of the microscope, because some of microorganisms we can't see on the microscope. We have a plant cell or animal cell. We see with the naked eye, not at all possible. We see only microscope. In that cell, mitochondria is present. Mitochondria was discovered by Kolliker and Carl Benda, but mitochondria synthesis energy to give energy. Still I am here. That was the production of the mitochondria. It was produces a lot of energy to give a right life to a human being. Whenever the mitochondria was decreases, we spoil our life easily. This is a glass equipment while we are using in our life at every process also. Glass is a transparent optic to put the lights, to emit the lights. Can you guess an electric bulb? Electric bulb is covered by the glass only, because glass can emits the light to read. Now generations reading very well. Why? Because there is of light only. In old generations they are using the candle. While using the candle, some of the air will happen, the candle is stopped off. While the reason they can't read very well. When the glass was came to our life, we are using the glass very much to read the books, a lot of things. Behind these reasons we get the scientists, engineers, etc. There are lot of examples of this. These the convex lens which we are using in these days, it is crucial thing and it is very expensive, because the lens is a thin and pliable substance made in laboratory. It is a high cost. Our PM Narendra Modi sir, he was used the spectacles. While he was using the lens, it is very good for PM Narendra Modi also. The future generations eyes, the defected eyes like that, like this only. These are the future generations eyes. I kindly suggest to all people in the world who are defected persons, they please use lens. Lens is a better thing our future generations to give a lot of uses of them only. So I finally conclude that behind these reasons which we are using in our life, that glass is a very important thing in our life. There is no glass, there is no life. Glass was modified, has been the lens. There is no lens, there is no to protect our eyes. Lens are protecting our eyes by atmosphere also. Glass was protecting our human beings while we are using in vehicles, while the rainfall was occur, and while the heat, while the carbon monoxide gases enter into the vehicle, it was not enter into the vehicle, it was protected by a layer, and we are using a lot of things. I finally conclude this about the glass. Glass is a crucial thing which we are using in these days. So thank you for this given opportunity. I kindly thanks my mental teacher and my principal sir and the secretary of Gurukulam, Dr. R.S. Praveen Kumar sir garu, and I will conclude one point, who is none other than our CM Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao introduced a Kanti Velugu program to introducing the SPECS. SPECS is good thing, but while the Chandrasekhar Rao garu introduced lens is better for future generation. I kindly request to who are the introducing on the eyes experiments, please we introduce lens. Lens are the better generations. Lens is the better process to use future generation. Please we can introduce lens. It is a better way and simple way while we are removing. Thank you and bye all the spherospine.